Hello everyone, my name is Bharti Pamar and I am going to talk about the paper pattern for 2020 and 21 this academic session. The subject is obviously English core, and why I decided to prepare this video, the reason is pretty simple because this year the pattern is very much different from all the previous years, and whatever support material is available on internet or with the students, everything is provided on the basis of previous years. The students might or might not be aware of the question paper and the pattern of the question paper, but the CBSE has issued the details that how the question paper will be prepared and how it is divided into various sections regarding objectivity as well as subjectivity of the question paper. So let's get started, and today I am going to talk about class 11th. Now, as far as the class 11th question paper is concerned, the entire question paper or the entire paper as such carries 100 marks, but the theory question paper carries 80 marks. And 40 marks are assigned to objective type questions and 40 marks are assigned to the subjective type questions, and 20 marks are there separately for the assessment of speaking and listening. Now, section wise distribution, as the CBSE has said, reading, grammar and writing section. Collectively they comprise of 50 marks, and literature section, in which we have two books, Hornbill, the textbook, and Snapshots, the supplementary reader. Collectively they have 30 marks assigned to them. Now coming to the objective part, that is part A, and carrying 40 marks. The reading section will be of 18 marks. 2 reading passages will be there, unseen passage for comprehension. MCQs 10 out of 11 in one passage and 8 out of 9 in the other passage, that is 10 plus 8, 18. In grammar section, the objective part is there entirely, 8 marks. There will be 10 questions and the student has to attempt any 8 of them. In literature section, objective type questions will be of 14 marks. The MCQs will be there from the poetry section. 2 stanza for comprehension will be there and the student has to attempt any one, and the question will carry 3 marks. The MCQs will be there from prose also, that is from Hornbill as well as from Snapshots. The students will be provided with 3 paraphrase for comprehension and he or she needs to attempt any 2, that is 3 plus 3, 6 marks. Then we have the 5 1 markers, again from Hornbill and Snapshots. 6 questions will be provided. The student needs to attempt any 5. Coming to the subjective part, again carrying 40 marks. The reading section, we have 8 mark question, that is note making and summary writing. For writing section, 16 marks assigned to the subjective part. 3 marks for short writing task, notice writing. 2 notices will be given and you have to attempt any 1. Again short writing task, again carrying 3 marks, poster designing. Again 1 out of 2 internal choice will be there. Then we have letter writing carrying 5 marks, internal choice is there 1 out of 2. Speech or debate writing carrying 5 marks, 1 out of 2. And this is how the subjective part is there in writing section. It means that the entire writing section is of subjective part and the entire grammar section is of objective part. So in literature section, the subjective part is as such: short answer type questions, 2 marks, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry. 4 questions will be there. The student has to attempt any 2. Short answer type questions, 2 marks, 1 out of 2 from Snapshots. So the earlier question will be from Hornbill and there will be 1 question, that is 1 out of 2 from Snapshots. Coming to the long answer type questions, the question will carry 5 marks. Again internal choice is there. The question will be from Hornbill, 1 out of 2. The other long answer type question from Snapshots, again 1 out of 2, carrying 5 marks. So this will be the paper pattern, subjective and objective, but there are some deletions. The parts that used to be there in the syllabus up until now, Some of those parts are being taken off, so let's see which they are. There won't be any classified advertisements. Letter to the editor is out of syllabus this time, and application for job with biodata and resume, that is also being deleted. Article writing and report writing is out of syllabus, so is narrative. From grammar, models, clauses, change of voice, error correction, editing task, that is all being deleted. And as far as the books are concerned, from Hornbill, chapter number 7, The Adventure by Jayant Narlikar is being deleted, and the last poem, Father to Son by Elizabeth Jennings, that is being taken off. From Snapshots, the 6th chapter, The Ghat of the Only World by Amitav Ghosh, and the last one, The Tale of the Melon City by Vikram Seth. Both these are being deleted. Now the question is that after going through the subjective and objective part, after coming to know what is being deleted, the question still remains that how will be the question paper then? What is going to be there? So let's go through the paper pattern in a very different manner. And this is just an assumption. The question paper may or may not appear in this particular format, but this is one of the ways in which the question paper may appear. Section A carrying 26 marks. Question number 1 can be an unseen passage for comprehension carrying 10 marks. 10 out of 11 questions are to be attempted, each one carrying 1 mark. Second unseen passage for comprehension carrying 8 marks. Again 1 mark each, 8 out of 10. The third unseen passage will be for note making and summarizing, carrying 8 marks, in which note making is of 5 marks and summarizing is of 3 marks. Moving forward with the writing section. Short writing task, notice writing, 1 out of 2, that is 3 marks. Again short writing task, poster designing, 1 out of 2, again carrying 3 marks. Moving forward to the long answer type question, that is letter writing, carrying 5 marks. The types of letter that are in the syllabus are business letters, letter to school or college authorities, 1 out of 2. And writing composition, article and report are out of syllabus. So in the syllabus we have speech writing and debate writing, carrying 5 marks, again 1 out of 2. Moving forward with the third section, that is grammar section, carrying 8 marks. This is completely objective. MCQs will be there in the form of gap filling, that is fill in the blanks, and the topics taken are determiners and tenses. The other MCQs, sentence reordering or transformation of sentences. There will be 10 questions in totality and 8 should be attempted by the student. Coming to the last section, literature section, carrying 30 marks. First question can be stanza for comprehension from poetry, 3 marks, and 1 out of 2 stanzas is to be attempted. Then there will be a paraphrase for comprehension from prose section, Hornbill as well as snapshots. 3 will be given. The student needs to attempt any 2, that is 3 plus 3. There will be MCQs also from prose and poetry of both the books. 6 questions will be there, each one carrying 1 mark, and the student has to attempt any 5. The short answer type questions, there will be 2 out of 4, that is 2 into 2 is equals to 4 marks. That these questions will be from Hornbill, prose as well as poetry. Short answer type questions will be there from snapshots also, but only 1 question is there. Again carrying 2 marks only. The word limit is different. In the earlier question related to Hornbill, the word limit is 30 to 40 words. This one related to snapshots, it is 40 to 50 words. Coming to the long answer type questions, the first question is from prose or poetry from the main textbook Hornbill, carrying 5 marks. There is an internal choice, 1 out of 2 is to be attempted. And the last long answer type question will be from snapshots, again carrying 5 marks. Again there is an internal choice, 1 out of 2. So the question number may vary. The question paper can have sub questions or sub parts, and in this manner there may not be 16 questions but less number of questions, but this is how the question paper may appear to be. So I believe that you might have understood that how your question paper is going to be in class 11, and you can prepare likewise. Thank you.